Hi, it's Chris again, and today I got a new product. You know me, I love new products. Today, what do we got? Well, we have a new product by one of my favorite vendors, Retrax. Now, this is called the Retrax IX, not the IXL by Accurate, but the IX. And what is special about this? Well, it's a metal cover, but it's going to be one of the best price rolling metal covers on the market today. Here is a cover that will sell very similar to my upgraded premium folding covers. That's right. You have a choice of a nice premium folding cover, or you can go into a rolling cover. And you can see it's a good looking cover. And now, Retrax, as you know, has a lot of different models. Retrax 1, Retrax Pro, and now the Retrax IX, or IL. So what is it? IX, right? All right, I had to think about it for a second. Now, to save some money, they have, I'm going to tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly on everything. There's nothing ugly on this one. It's actually very good looking. Before I go into it, I want John took a good look on how it looks, and it is a great looking cover. So let's go and take a look at all the other things it does here. Now, it's one of the easier covers to use. So let's take a look here. Come on here with the camera here. Now, this is your release mechanism. As you can see, it slides in here like that. So let me go into the passenger side since everybody wants to be in the video here. So let's go ahead and move this over here. Now, as you can see, this slides all the way in here. Now, to save some money, as you know, the Retrax you can lock anywhere along the tracks. On this one, it's only going to have a stop here, and a stop here. It's 3 stops. So you only have 3 stops. So where they save some money. Also, where they save some money, instead of getting the lifetime warranty, you're only getting the 2-year warranty. So now the nice thing is, because we installed this one, we're doubling the 2-year warranty to 4 years, which is nice. And you still get the 1-year labor guarantee on this. Now the canister in here is, I didn't measure it, to be honest with you. It is, to my eye, it looks a little smaller than a standard canister, but not much smaller. Again, you see I put the drainage system to the left and right. You know me, I don't like putting the drainage system in the floor. Now if you look over here, the hardware that holds this is quite different. And this is where where Retrax is not going to be happy with me. This was not much fun to install. This was actually a little bit of a headache, to be honest with you, because everything is in pieces. A lot of times the hardware is all set up, everything's set up. This one, it's like they brag on their video, oh, 30-minute install. Man, I wish manufacturers would be truthful on these things. I sell this too, but I'm going to tell you the truth. It's not a 30-minute install. It takes 20 minutes to take it out of the box. So it's not 30 minutes to do the whole thing. So keep that in mind. Now, I've done a lot of covers, and this one took me several hours. And now this one took me a little longer because this is the multi-function tailgate. If you look in there, you can see the brackets are off. Now we did replace it with the R brackets, but again, I'm going to tell you the good, bad, and ugly. The brackets worked, but the hardware, we had to replace the hardware. It did not. It was such a tight fit that I couldn't use the hardware. I had to get a smooth head to it, so this would slide in. So, because you cannot put this in without the brackets. I see people on YouTube all the time. They're putting covers on, they are removing that, but they're not putting anything in its place. Those brackets are there for a reason, so keep that in mind. Now, to use this, you still have to reach inside. As you can see, I have rolls like this. It's not too bad. It doesn't have a strap or a handle. Well, technically it has a handle. If you look inside here, you can see this is how you can grab it here. Now, this is your little locking mechanism here. So, and then, you have to make sure this is not going to roll as smooth as some other things, but you have to make sure you hear that little clicking noise. It lets you know it's in its right spot. And you look at the seal here, big heavy duty seal. That's going to do a great job in keeping the water out. Now, these are not submarines. It is not waterproof, so keep that in mind. This is going to do a great job for water, but it is not going to keep all of it out. You might get anywhere from 2 to 4% leakage. Now, this gentleman did have us put a seal in here. This is a nice tailgate seal. That is going to help. Now, a multifunction tailgates have a tendency to leak a little bit more than a standard tailgate. But all in all, you know what? I think it's a great product. I like it. Again, this is my first time doing this cover. I think for the money, it's one of the better values out there. It looks good, it functions good. It doesn't have all the bells and whistles as some of the more expensive models, so keep that in mind. and the warranty is a little less at 2 years. But if we install it, it becomes 4 years, so that helps out with that. But all in all, I think it's a great look. And again, you can get this from us. You can have us install it for you, or we can ship it anywhere in the country. So you live in Texas, not a problem. You live in California, we can take care of you. If you live in Portland, yes, we can ship there as well. So even Hawaii and Puerto Rico. So keep that in mind. Again, this is Chris doing a review on the new Retrax EX on a Ram 1500 with the multi-function tailgate. Thanks.